Okay guys, we're coming back to you again today. I got a little update video. Paul's coming back. It just rained. His car is dirty, so he needs a car wash. Last time he came in, we used the Graphene deep gloss ceramic sealant on his car. So we'll check out the hydrophobics on that. I think it's been about 2 weeks, somewhere between 2 and 3 weeks right now. So we'll check that out. For his tires, I'm going to be using the Tire and Rubber Rejuvenator Concentrate. Now this is a 1 to 3 type of product, and I have about a third left of this, so I'm just going to fill this bottle up with water and it'll be ready to go. Along with that, I'll be using, since we used Graphene, I'll stick with the Graphene theme, and we'll use the Graphene Auto Wash from McKee's. We'll use the Detail Spray and the Graphene Tire Shine. So that'll be my lineup there today. And make sure you hit that like and subscribe button before we get into this video if you haven't already. That way you don't miss any of the new content that we put out. Let's get into this video. All right, so last time we applied the McKee's Graphene ceramic sealant. Let's see how it beads. All right, so we've got the Graphene Auto Wash here. All right, so normally I would start with the wheels and tires, but since I wanted to show you guys some of the beading, I started there. And we're using the Graphene Auto Wash from McKee's. And actually it's pretty recommended by them that you spray the soap on and let it dry. Then when you rinse it, you'll have no problem. You should have no water spots. So I'm actually gonna spray it first with another foam bath, and then I'm gonna do the wheels. We're out here in the sun. It's about 82 degrees today. We'll let it dry. We'll come back and do the wash afterward and see how that goes. Okay, I've got the tire and rubber rejuvenator. I'm gonna use it all over. All right, as you can see, we have done all the wheels. We have just been letting this sit on here, the soap. This is the Graphene auto wash, and we've just been letting it dry. Now I'm gonna do my hand wash. Guys, I just want to tell you this soap is super lubricating. The mitt slides all along the car, no scratching, and you don't have to worry about it drying. They want you to let it dry. Okay, so here we are. It is drying up fantastically. Can you see it all on there? Definitely drying, if not dried, all over the car. Now, most people would be horrified in this situation, but I've already used this and I know what's going to happen. All right, so let's get rinsing. Let's see what happens here. Pretty good, I can tell right away. The beading is excellent. There will be no water spots. All right, I'm gonna hit it with some graphene detail spray as I dry. We're using the McKee's Glacier 1100. All right, guys, and basically we're done with the car wash. I'm going to use some more detail spray and go over any little areas of drippage that I missed, do out the door jambs, but the paint, everything is washed up nicely, looks great, no water spotting, fantastic results, all done in the sun. Okay, I'm going to use my detail spray. Okay, now we're going to hit the tires with the Graphene Tire Shine. Get some of the graphene detail spray. And Paul asked if McKee's had a fast interior detailer, so here we go. Paul's gonna do his interior with it. All right, Paul, so show us how to do interiors here. How do you do it?
I just spray a little on the towel.
Little on the towel.
And then I'll just,
Just a little, wipe it down a little.
Yeah.
Paul's very careful with this car. He's the only one that touches his interior.
I know, I'm the only one.
What do you think? Working pretty good?
Yeah, it smells good.
Smells good, huh?
Yeah. I like the way it smells, actually.
Yeah, I like when products smell good. All right, I'll let you finish up. So, Paul, what do you think of that interior cleaner?
Dude, this interior cleaner is the best cleaner I've ever smelled. It smells like
the scent, huh?
The scent.
So that scent is, they have an air freshener. It's called Date Night.
I thought it smelled like cologne.
It does smell like cologne, yeah. It's really
wipe
good.
Your car down.
So if you buy the air freshener, it's called Date Night. This product, Fast Interior Detailer, has that scent of Date Night in it. Paul's going crazy over this stuff.
This is the best interior detailer I've ever used, and it smells so good.
All right, guys, so if you liked the video, hit that like and subscribe button, press the notifications bell so you get all the new videos we're putting out. Today we're talking about the McKee's Graphene line, specifically a look back at the deep gloss ceramic sealant. That's their Graphene deep gloss ceramic sealant. We applied this, I don't know, about what, 13, 14 days ago, and I think it might have been somewhere between 2 and 3 weeks. And I wanted to see the beading. The beading on this is phenomenal. This stuff is a strong product. I remember the application. Use a machine. It'll go on real easy, nice and thin. The longer you let this sit on there, the better. You can let it sit overnight. Just let it bond. It comes off super, super easy. The protection on there is phenomenal. From there, we did the Graphene Auto Wash. Now, I use this as a pre-foam, first of all, to knock off all the dirt on Paul's car. He was driving in the rain the other day and it had a lot of dirt on it. So we pre-foamed it, let it soak up, and then we rinsed that off. And I did that first because I wanted to show you guys the beading. Normally I would do the wheels first, right? And so what I did was I pre-foamed, or I laid down another layer of foam, and I let it sit on there to let it dry. They want you to let this product dry on the car so you don't get water spots. So we did that. We really let it dry. We went over it with a microfiber or a wash mitt, whatever mitt it was. And by the time I came around to rinse it, it had been dried on there. Now, when I rinsed it, it came off flawlessly. There were no water spots, nothing like that. Right before I did that, I grabbed their tire and rubber rejuvenator. I went over all the tires with this. This does a fantastic job of just rejuvenating the look on the tires, cleaning them up. I even sprayed this on the rim part of it, and it cleaned them up really nicely. Very, very easy product to use. This is a 1-to-3 dilution here. So that did a fantastic job. We came back with the car being wet and rinsed off. I grabbed the Graphene detail spray, sprayed it on the car as a drying aid. I dried over the car with their Glacier 1100 drying towel, the extra large one that McKee's has. And I mean, it just does a fantastic job. Mind you, this is all done in the sun at about 82 degrees. As you can see, I'm hot and sweaty here. So all in the sun on a black vehicle. No problems, no water spots, no streaking, lots of slickness, great gloss. Looks fantastic, right? Went over the tires one more time with the detail spray, dried them off, and then I grabbed their Graphene tire shine and went over the rubber on the tires, and it just brings out a nice dark matte, almost glossy finish. This is my favorite tire shine from McKee's. It smells phenomenal while using it. Paul asked, hey, do they got an interior detailer? He's kind of picky on them, and I said, sure, they do. Let me find it. And this is my bottle of Fast Interior Detailer. It smells like a cologne, and it's a nice smelling, manly scent, I would say. Their air freshener that has this scent is called Date Night, and Paul is raving about this, and he's going to confiscate this bottle from me. So McKee's, if you're watching this, I need another bottle of this because Paul is confiscating it. Anyway, guys, I hope you liked the review. Graphene product line is phenomenal. If you want a Date Night scented interior cleaner, the Fast Interior Cleaner is the way to go. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day. Talk to you soon.